Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Marsha from SMP Islam Terpadu LHI. Have you ever made a pencil craft from used bottles? Today I will show you how to make one. For the materials, you will need a used bottles, cardboard, string for decoration, paints, and glue. You will also need some tools such as scissors, a pencil brush, a pencil or a marker. Now, let me show you how to make it. First, make a pattern on the used bottles. Cut on the pattern you have made. After that, decorate with string like this. Meanwhile, paint the pad with your favorite color. Voila! Your new pencil case is done. You can also decorate with the plastic flower. Finally, you can put your marker, pencil, or your pens. I hope you can follow my direction easily. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.